How to install 8-ball pool on PC with our emulator. For this, Google 8-ball pool APK for Android. Now you will see there is a download icon right here at the very top, so you have to go ahead and give it a tap. In this page, you have to scroll down to the bottom and again tap on this green bubble right here that it says download. Now it is going to take a while, and as you can see, the download has already begun at the bottom of your screen. Now let's move on to our next part. To open our APK file, you'll be needing an Android subsystem in your PC. For that, you have to go ahead and search for Microsoft subsystem for Android. Now you can just go ahead and tap on the link included in this article, or you can search in your Windows Market that is built in your PC. Now once you do that, something like this should pop up in your desktop, and if you tap on it, right now I have BlueStack, so it will open in a BlueStack right here. This is also one of the Android subsystem. It should display as an application just like in your Android, as you can see right here. Now if you tap on this ball pool icon, it will initiate as an app and you can play ball pool in your PC. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.